Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can climb a dome to the top and get the loot from here. So what we'll need to do is basically find this pipe near the shed. So let's go on this pipe. So the dome parkour is not that hard to do. So jump right here, then go on these stairs right here. Be careful not to fall running on this beam. After that, run right here. You will find some crates right here, also maybe down there, and there are some parkours that you can do and try to jump there. But for now, I will show you the default way how you can climb up. So this will not be hard at all. You can jump it on here too, so you don't need to run like this. Now, right here, you'll need to jump and be careful not to fall down, otherwise you will going to fall. And right here, we need to run around until we find this. And right here, you'll find some crates too, so make sure to loot them. And right now, let's go right here, then to the left, to the right, again to the right, and as you can see, we are on the top like this. Use this ramp to climb up, and we are at the top. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.